Hey, what is up guys, welcome back. Captain here, back with another Asus ROG Phone 3 video. I make a lots of video on this phone, cover every update we have, see the spec of this smartphone, and a short video which show us the back and front design of the phone, and AN22 speed and TINA listing. But in this video we talking about the latest update, which is about the release date. I know a lots of ROG Phone 3 lover won't wait to grab their favorite gaming smartphone. So the upcoming Asus ROG Phone 3 is now confirmed to arrive next month, July. Asus will reveal the upcoming Asus ROG Phone 3 in partnership with the Tencent. The two companies announced it on a Weibo, the Chinese biggest website. Their launch will take place in July. Although an exact date is yet to be announced, the phone will have a version deeply customized by Tencent, just like the predecessor ROG Phone 2 last year. Tencent Games said that it will partner with the Republic of Gamers in China to provide in-depth cooperation and will focus in optimizing the performance of game content on the hardware to create a game experience closer to the player. Just like last year, we expect Tencent to provide better optimization and resource allocation to some of its games. Subsidiaries of the company have developed Call of Duty Mobile, the Chinese version of PUBG, and plenty of other hit titles that are practically unknown outside the domestic market. Last year, phone Tencent edition started Chinese yuan 3,500 equal $510, 40% cheaper than the most affordable regular version, that was the Chinese yuan 6,000 equal $870. We expect something similar to happen the ROG Phone 3 variant as well. Rumors are pointing to 16 gigabytes RAM, which are unlikely to be in the customization version. So a couple of days ago, we have seen the Indian leak star on Twitter. He says the Asus ROG Phone 3 specification of 6.59-inch big display and 9.85mm thick, and it has same 6000 mAh battery, just like the Asus ROG Phone 2, 5G SA, NSA, and Android 10 with this smartphone. And in last week we have seen the ROG Phone 3 scored AN22 reported, and the score of the Asus ROG Phone 3 is 646,310 in the benchmarking app. The highest AN22 score of the Snapdragon 865 powered device is the Oppo Find X2 Pro, which scored 604,123. So this is a really huge jump of the Asus ROG Phone 3. So guys, let me know in the comment section, are you waiting for this smartphone and you want to buy this smartphone because you have wait is over? We have just 1 month away from the launching of this smartphone. Let me know in the comment section. Also like this video and subscribe my channel for latest tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.